going to show you how to use Loom and get it all set up once you have created an account. So to get started, go to loom.com and select get a free Loom account. Go through the prompts there to get your account set up. You can do the free one or you can do an upgraded one if you like. The free one allows you up to 100 videos with a recording length of 5 minutes. Otherwise, it's $8 per user per month if you do it annually, or $10 per user per month, billed monthly. So I'll let you get that all set up. And then once you're in the system, you will be brought to your personal library. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see your profile here. You will want to input a headshot under account settings. I won't spend time with you showing you how to do that, but everything that you need to do in here, you can update. Definitely put a nice, crisp, clean headshot in there. That is important. And I'll show you why in just a minute. In addition, you'll want to install the Chrome extension. This will allow you to record if you are on a certain website. Even if you're trying to just show a Word document, you want this open because it will also show if you're on, like, for example, I'm going to show you LinkedIn. Without that extension, it won't allow me to show that to you. So I'm going to go back to my library here. And I will guide you through how I set up my folders and videos, but I want to share with you. I often get requests on LinkedIn on how to do certain things. And rather than get on phone calls, a lot of times I will create a quick Loom video and send that over so that the people can watch it whenever they're ready. And then I get an email notification once they've watched the video. So I will show you how to do a Loom recording here. And in my recording, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted connections in your LinkedIn contacts. So to get started, go to your LinkedIn profile. And then this little purple icon up here, I'm going to click that. It's going to give me a few options. Right now, it's showing only my screen. When it shows only my screen, my photo will be here. I can change this photo to whatever I'd like for the video. You can be Mr. Potato Head or have your dog's face in there or your headshot. You can do screen and camera, which will show you talking in that corner along with your screen, or you can do camera only, which is just like a video screen share or video share, not a screen share. You also want to make sure that your sound is working properly and that your device that you're speaking to is working as well. So I have my AirPods in right now so that the sound is better. You'll have a 5-minute recording limit once you're ready to go. Before you get ready to go, I would recommend closing out all tabs that you don't want your user to see. If you have a lot of things open and you don't want to close them, open up a brand new browser and only show the things that are important in your video so your viewer is not distracted. So click Start Recording. You're going to select this button here for entire screen. That will allow you to toggle between your different tabs here. Then hit Share. You get the 3, 2, 1 countdown. And I can tell this is recording because I can see the blue highlight behind is showing the sound of my video. There's a countdown here for how much time I have left. Your X is if you want to cancel and delete the video. You can pause it or you can hit the check mark to complete it. So for my users who have LinkedIn connections that no longer want to be connected with those people anymore, say you've switched industries and the people that you're connected with are no longer relevant, or you're getting spammed all the time by certain people and you don't want them in your feed. The good news is that you don't have to even let them know that you are removing them. So from your homepage, click on My Network. And from there, you'll click Connections. And it's going to naturally filter by the people that you've added most recently. You can change that up here if you'd like, or you can search by specific names or other filters if you are looking for particular people to remove. But let's say that I no longer need to be connected with Carol, who I actually do want to stay connected with. I just connected with her a week ago. But I would just simply click these 3 buttons here and hit Remove Connection. That will remove from my network, so she will no longer see any posts that I share, but she will not know that I've actually done that. So once I'm done, I'm going to click the checkbox there. And it's going to bring me to my video. And the first thing I like to tell people to do is to rename the video to make it relevant to what the topic was. So we have LinkedIn, how to remove unwanted connections. And then hit enter. That'll save the title. You have a few options in here. You can edit the video, you can trim it, you can create a call to action if you have the upgraded plan. I don't right now because I don't need it. And you can also change out the thumbnail for the cover of the video. In addition, you can make comments on this back and forth based on different times of the video. You can put in emojis and communicate back and forth with your team if you're sharing a specific video. So once you've done that, you can also add a description down below. Once you've done that, you can copy link to video. And this is what you're going to share with your audience. So if I go, I apologize here. If I go here and create a new email and I say, hi, I created this 1-minute video for you on how to remove unwanted LinkedIn connections. Now, if I paste that whole URL in there, it's kind of long. So instead, what I'm going to do, and you may already be familiar with this feature, is I'm going to highlight 1-minute screen share video, and I'm going to insert a hyperlink. And if you're on Outlook, you should have a similar button to this, and same with Gmail. It should just look like the 2 paper clips together. So click that and hit paste. And now, when my viewer reads this email, they can click that video, and it's going to take them directly to the video that I recorded for them. Now, once they hit play, I'm going to get an email from Loom that my video has been viewed, which is really important. Because if I've sent them a how-to on how to do something and they haven't done it, but they keep coming back to me with questions, I know that they're just not watching my video. So once this is all done, I like to keep mine organized. So if I go back to my personal library, I like to create folders and then drop videos in once I'm done with them. So for example, that one was a LinkedIn how-to video, and I have a lot that are not organized right now. But when you naturally record something, it'll stay here. So you would just move, and I would move that to my personal library and under LinkedIn how-to videos, and it'll move it for me, which makes it very easy. You can't really mess up a whole lot on here. If you end up creating something that you absolutely hate, you can just delete it or you can modify it. It's a very user-friendly software system. There is also a mobile app if you want to do it on your phone, but it's a quick way to get a message across without having to jump on another meeting or phone call. And it gives people the ability to watch and receive the information when they're open to it and actually have bandwidth and time for it. So I hope that this has been helpful for you. Please let me know if you have any questions.